Yo, what's up mga ka-runners? So we finished a 8.5 kilometers in total of our run in a 6 kilometer pacing. So that's our run after the Galaxy Manila Marathon. So today parang naging tempo siya kasi maintaining ako ng 6 to 5:45 kanina. Yung downhill nakakapag 5 pa ako to 5:30. Pero yun lang. So balik na ulit tayo sa another training. So set ko naman ngayon is the 21 km goal. Kasi sa October, we will run at the Garmin Half Marathon. I will try there na mabit yung PR natin na 2:20 sa Half Marathon. So sana maka 2:10 ako for that. So yun lang. I hope I encourage you once again to be stay active, to do healthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life for a better living. So run safe pala guys. Peace.